Hello everyone, welcome to MSFT Webcast. In this video, we are going to see the steps on how to create a room list in Exchange 2019 using Exchange Management Shell. Room lists are specially marked distribution groups which contains resource mailboxes as the members in it. If your organization has multiple room mailboxes associated with conference rooms, spread across different locations or buildings, you can use a room list to organize them. Meeting organizer can use the room list to find available conference rooms easily when they are setting up a meeting invite. Room lists are specially marked distribution groups that you can use the same way you use distribution groups in Exchange. However, you can only create room list using the Exchange Management Shell. In this guide, we want to create a room list containing all the room mailboxes from MSFT Webcast company. I have stored all the room mailboxes account in the OU name resources. Let's see them first. Let's click on Tools and open Active Directory Users and Computer Snapping. And under OU MSFT Webcast, I have created another OU name resources. And the associated user account of our resource mailboxes are currently stored under resources OU, which we want to include in our room list. Fine. Now we need to open Exchange Management Shell to create room list. Let me clear the screen. Now let's create a new room list using the cmdlate new-distribution group. Now we need to specify switch name to specify room list name, which is going to be MSFT Webcast -room list. Fine. Then after we need to specify our OU path, which is going to be mylab.local/MSFT Webcast/resources. Let me check the path as well. mylab.local/MSFT Webcast and then resources. Fine. Then we need to specify switch room list. Fine. This is going to create a new room list named MSFT Webcast-room list containing account from our OU mylab.local/MSFT Webcast/resources. Now we simply need to press enter key. Let's verify that room list is created successfully using the cmdlate get-distribution group. Perfect. Here we can verify our room list name MSFT Webcast-room list. Let's get a more detailed information about our room list by running command get-distribution group. And let's specify name of our room list, which is MSFT Webcast-room list. Format list. We want name and recipient. Okay, let's press enter key. Perfect. Here you can see name is there, MSFT Webcast-room list. And recipient type is there, mail universal distribution group. But the most important type is recipient type details, which is telling us that it is a room list. Let's verify the same thing for our other distribution group, which is Surat HR. And as you can see, in that case, you can see recipient type details telling us that it is mail universal distribution group. And even in Exchange Admin Center, you are not able to see this distribution group. You can only get the information about room list using Exchange Management Shell. Fine. Now our room list is created successfully. We need to add rooms to this list same as we add members to the distribution group. Let me clear the screen. Let's again go back to our Active Directory Users and Computer Snapping. We want to add East Conference Room mailbox to our room list. Name MSFT Webcast-room list. And for that, the cmdlate will be add-distribution group member-identity Here we need to specify the name of our room list, which is going to be MSFT Webcast -room list. Okay, and then after we need to specify name of our member. Let me copy the name. Okay, this is the email address. Let's copy it and let's paste in Exchange Management Shell. Fine. Let's press enter key and perfect. The command is completed successfully. That means we have successfully added our room mailbox to the room list. Let's verify that using the cmdlet get-distribution group member. Identity, which is going to be the name of our room list, MSFT Webcast -room list. Let's press enter key. From the output of the cmdlet, we can say that we have successfully added a room mailbox named East Conference Room to room list named MSFT Webcast -room list. Now we will see whether it is working or not in Outlook on the web. Let's access Outlook on the web using the credential of our user Jay Shah. Let's open Google Chrome and let's access Outlook on the web. Let's specify the credential of our user Jay Shah. Click on drop down arrow on a new and select calendar event. Click on add a location or a room and click on add room. And here we can see the room list is there, MSFT Webcast -room list. Let's click on it. And under that we have one room mailbox, and which is East Conference Room, and it is free at this point. And using this room list, user can get the list of available room mailbox in Exchange organization. In this way, we can create custom room list in Exchange 2019 using Exchange Management Shell. That's all for this video. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.